This is literally last night's snow. And it's still snowing. I keep seeing these little circles. They look like hoofs. They're like a bunch of little assholes. What the fuck is it? Somebody came through here with a horse? Or something? Fuck. Come to think of it, I think they're those skiing poles, hey? The ones that like hold you up, I guess. That's probably what it is. Not a bunch of assholes or horse hoofs. Burn out there. Sure looks nice though. Beaver boardwalk. This will be the last time. Well, somewhat. Somewhat the last time, because I'm moving away today. So sad. Like, so sad. Yeah. I'll be back. Hinton's pull on my heartstrings just a little too much for me to just drop it and let it go. Beautiful place. Well, I came and rocked this town anyway. Now I gotta go. Here for a good time, not a long time, as they say. I've been here 3 years, 4 years. It's a good time, I guess. So here we're just moving. Yeah. I'll be back when I find nothing. It's beautiful when you walk in. There's nothing to find here but beauty. Especially when it's snowing. Just hope I don't run into no fucking cats. But I got bear spray. It's a lot of snow for like 2 fucking days. I got a tree fell out. I haven't connected that one. Oh, it snowed on.